loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Artra, and on this channel we do all things DIY skincare and then a little bit of entrepreneurship. So today I wanted to talk about the top 5 oils that I have used in my business as I'm making soaps and body care products. So before that though, let's dive into the basics of understanding what essential oils and carrier oils are. So essential oils are highly concentrated extracts derived from plants, capturing their aromatic and therapeutic properties. On the other hand, seed oils, also known as carrier oils, are derived from seeds of plants and serve as a base for diluting essential oils. So basically, while essential oils provide the potent benefits, they have to be diluted with other carrier oils to avoid any skin irritation. The most common carrier oils are jojoba, almond, and coconut, which each offer unique properties for skincare. Okay, so let's get into it. This is in no particular order, but the very first oil is lavender essential oil. So this is a versatile gem for skincare. It has a very light texture. It's very fast absorbing, so it's perfect for soothing the irritated skin and promoting relaxation. Love the relaxation aspect. When the kids were babies, I would even do a little drops in their bath water to like calm them down before bath time. The scent, if you haven't used lavender oil, the scent is very floral, and I just feel like it adds like a little bit of touch of luxury to skincare. I love using it as my soaps, bath oils, the bath bombs, and then I have a facial oil that I use with lavender in it, and it is my gem. I love this this scent. I love this essential oil. The next oil that I want to talk about is carrot seed oil. This is a powerhouse for anti-aging. It has a medium consistency and moderate absorption. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, making it super effective for reducing fine lines and improving skin texture. The scent of it has a earthy aroma, and it really kind of like adds a natural allure to your facial oils and moisturizers. I also add a little bit of this in my rose clay and charcoal soaps. Love this one. So number 3 is a new one to me, and it is my little bit of grapeseed oil. And this is a very, very lightweight marvel for moisturizing. So it has a very thin texture and rapid absorption, so it doesn't just stick on your skin all day. It's perfect for hydrating without clogging your pores, making it ideal for those with oily skin and acne prone skin. So I use this a lot in different facial oils and facial like masks. It doesn't really have a smell. I guess it's kind of neutral. If you've never used it or smelled it, it doesn't really smell like anything. And like I said, it's a versatile addition to just add in like facial serums and oils and different lotions, especially for those with oily or acne prone skin. This will be great for them because they can still get the moisture without it being clogging on the pores. Now moving on to big 4, and this is vitamin E oil. This is your skin's protective shield. I put this in every soap, every body scrub, facial moisturizer. I use vitamin E oil. It is a thick texture with a little bit of a slower absorption, making it an excellent oil for nourishing and repairing dry and damaged skin. It in the scent is very, very subtle. You barely smell anything at all, so it blends so well with other oils, other carrier oils or other essential oils. So it's really popular in a lot of DIY skincare products like lip balms, scar treatments. I put it in soaps. You can put it in body butters. You literally can put this in anything, and I do. Like, love this one. Last but certainly not least is sweet almond oil. So as you can see, I use this one a lot. I got the big jug here. This is a really gentle healer for all of the skin types. This is also an oil that, like the vitamin E oil, this is also an oil that I put in near about every single skincare product that I make. It is fantastic. It is a really, really light consistency with a quick, fast absorption rate. So it's perfect for soothing and hydrating sensitive skin. It's got like a little bit of a mild nutty aroma, but it's delightful for basically everything. Massage oils, body lotions, facial cleansers, soaps, the body butters, body balms, whatever it is. This is a great addition, and also it's good for dark circles, cracked skin. This is it. So there you have it, my top 5 oils that I have been using throughout my journey making products. Remember though that each oil has unique properties and benefits, so feel free to experiment with what works best for you and what you're looking for your skin or for your customer's skin. If you would like me to deep dive any other oils, or you have any questions, I would love to answer them. Just put them in the comments. And if you have found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow skincare enthusiasts. Until next time, stay walking in your purpose and creating beauty. I'll see you soon.